Health Minister Vishwajit Rani confirmed that all heads of the department at Goa Medical College have been directed to report on duty as the state response to the aftermath of the Shirgaon stampede. The minister stated that 80 people sustained injuries with 13 currently admitted at GMCH. The 104 medical helpline has been actively receiving distress calls. I am personally monitoring the situation to ensure that every victim receives the best possible care, Rani stated.
Goddess Lehrai's Jatra, which is supposed to be one of the most auspicious. People look forward to this Jatra every year, and this incident which has acted of stampede is really very sad. The whole emergency services are always active, but they've been pressed into total action. My whole team, along with the Secretary Health, Arun Mishra, Dean Goa Medical College, Advisor to Health, Fazil Araujo, my medical superintendents, Dr. Rajesh Patil, Varsha Monj, Uday Kakodkar, and the whole team has been active all night. Heads of department in Goa Medical College, and our team has been on the field the whole night from the time we heard of the incident. Sushma Saini, 108 head, has also been active. We are trying our best to see that we are able to reduce the casualties. 80 people have been injured and brought to the hospitals. And in addition, the whole focus of the health department is to save the lives of the critically injured that are amounting to about 10. And more than 6 to 7 people have lost their lives. My condolences deeply go to the family. Whatever we can do as the Ministry for Health and the state government, we will do. Our job is to see that we are able to save lives, and we want to save the lives. With the blessings of Goddess Lehrai, I'm sure we'll be able to save the lives of the injured. I pray to her for her blessings to give us the strength to save the lives of the people and even the injured. And we are able to, critical lives, we are able to save them and, hand the patients over in good health to the families. I'm really saddened by this incident. This should not have happened. This has happened. This is really unfortunate. My sentiments are with all the families who have lost their lives and also the injured. We are doing our best. I want to reassure them that the department and the health service is doing their best and the government is doing their best to save their lives. I pray to Goddess Lehrai to give me the strength and the people of Goa the strength to face this situation, and we are able to save the injured